Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name.
Okay, so I just got back from the post office taking my packages because for some reason it's like the mail companies are having trouble like delivering to my apartment because it's so new. But besides that, I got my bar stools. They're in the package back there, and I can't wait to see what they look like in the apartment. I still have to clean up the my bangs. I still have to clean up the living space or whatever, but living space. I still have to clean up the living room and stuff, but it is what it is. Your girl is oily. All the moisturizers and stuff I have on my skin, but yeah, now I'm gonna go to Publix, or I might go to TJ Maxx first in this area. Go to TJ Maxx, see what they have, and then go to Publix because I'm getting sick and tired of eating out right now. So we're trying to get some groceries so I can at least have the option to fix my own food throughout the day rather than eating out every day. I don't mind eating out somewhat, but all day, every day gets exhausting. So we're gonna GPS the nearest TJ Maxx and be going there. And then after there, Publix, and then after that, I should be going back to the house. I look a mess right now, but whatever, it is what it is. A full day, a full day. People always look at me really crazy whenever I vlog myself in my car, but whatever, it's hot, y'all. I got the air off so y'all won't hear it, but I'm hot, so gotta get this thing jumping. Good, how are you?
I'm okay. You had
Thank you.
have a great day.
You too. So I just picked up these things from TJ Maxx from Home Goods. I would buy TJ Maxx too, but I didn't get anything out of TJ Maxx. I went to Home Goods. Wait, did I get something out of TJ Maxx? Nah, I went to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, everything in an area. I found a little shopping center earlier that had a lot of places. I didn't go inside Five Below today, but I'll probably go back to that shopping center another day with some of my friends and check it out. But today from Hobby Lobby, which I wasn't even gonna go in Hobby Lobby, I was like, I don't know. And then they had some stuff on display that I was like, okay, let me walk in there. This is the exact doormat I was looking for online that they literally were selling for like $30. They had it 50% off right now on all their doormats. So if you want a cute doormat, they had a bunch there, but this is the one I chose. I really like this leopard print. I don't have anything else leopard print in my house, but I want my doormat to really be like cute and show, I don't know, just be cute and fun. So I decided to get this. I also got this picture and easel from Hobby Lobby as well. This picture is really cute. It says, I have to be successful because I like expensive things, and my family, friends, and everybody else can attest to this. Like yeah, I like it, and I feel like it's also like a motivator. Like if I put it out somewhere and I see it, I could be like, I have to be I have to be successful. Like, you just got to. I also got these two bergamot DW home candles because I really like the smell of it, so I decided to get two because I'm thinking about putting one in the living room area and then one in the bathroom. I got this juice jar because I think it's really cute and I could put orange juice in it for days my friends come over for maybe breakfast or something like that. I just thought it was cute. It was only $4, so I got it. And then let me go outside the other room, show y'all what else I got. I got these two tank tops. They're really cute. It's a really stretchy material. They're ribbed. It's almost like the seamless collection from Zara. I think they are really cute, and I think they also can be like a sports bra. It's super thick. I'm gonna try it out. I got in this very cute baby blue color as well, and they were only $9.99 from TJ Maxx. And then I also got this picture that I need to hang up. Probably gonna put it like right there and then have a cute little towel hanging. But I love these silhouette pictures. I got this one from Home Goods as well, and I think it's so cute. It matches my mirror in my bathroom really, really well, so I like it a lot. So the stools look like they came apart, so I'm gonna have to turn into Bob the Builder real quick and piece these things together. Either I'm gonna do this now or I'm gonna do it after I get me something to eat. But it doesn't look too bad. Oh, they're pretty black. Hold on, let me read. Let me read for real. Let me read.
There's this thing called YouTube, right? I ain't gonna read it. Why do you look like that? Did it eat all off that plate?
Attach one leg.
Come on, George. Let's go get it. You do? I did. Okay.
Ask you to take me to go shopping in very alone. Sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever ask was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever ask was you. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. No scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me.
Okay, so the bathroom is a complete mess because I'm still organizing, but this is the fit for the day. Black leggings, this sports top, but it's like a sports bra, built-in sports bra, but it's like a top, a cardigan, not a cardigan, a flannel from Pretty Little Thing, this top from TJ Maxx, these leggings for PINK, pink, Victoria's Secret pink, baseball cap from Lids, bag from Shein, little croc black bag, and then I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I think it's pretty hot, so I may go with sandals, and if I do, I'll wear Birkenstocks, my brown Birkenstocks, just get a little contrast. I'm okay with that because I'm wearing flannel, or I may wear my Converse. So yeah, that's fit of the day. Today we're gonna go to Publix and get some groceries and stuff, and then I'm gonna attempt to return these towels to Target. I can't find the receipt, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm trying to look because I'm pretty sure I typed in Target Circle, so I don't know. I think the receipt goes on there whenever I type it in, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I can take these back. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. I just didn't, and then for an update, if you don't know why I'm taking them back, I'm taking these back because they were white. I have like a white theme going on. I'm gonna put them up top, but the white is clashing with the white in the buckets and baskets that I got for the decor. For some reason, the towels are coming off like this dingy like yellow color next to them, so I'm gonna go back and switch them out for some other towels that I believe are whiter. So we're gonna see how that works out, and that's pretty much what today's vibe is. So let's get going. Okay, so I just got back from let's back up the phone. Okay, so I just got back from Publix, washed my hands, and I'm gonna start putting up the groceries, get y'all a little grocery haul. Okay, so I got some water. Look at how cute this Publix bag is. I got it the last time I was at Publix. It's a cooler insulated bag, so I can put like my freezer items on the way back, or cold items on the way back to the store in here. And I think everybody should get one. I think I need two, to be honest, because I get a decent amount of cold stuff, and it made the process of carrying everything upstairs way easier, because I don't know, it was just all in one bag, so I could just have two and it would be enough for me. Yeah, I'll probably get the orange one. They had orange, blue, pink, I don't know what other colors. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make some turkey burger type things. I saw I got ground turkey. If I don't like those, I already have ground Beyond Beef. And then I got chicken breast. It's just a Perdue chicken breast. I got baby spinach to add to the turkey burger. I thought that's a good way to add in veggies. I got these Yasso bars in the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. Aaliyah's face really likes these, and they're only 100 calories and 5 grams of protein. It's just like a Greek yogurt ice cream bar. And I also got these. She put me onto these too, but I've been eating these for a while now. This is gonna be my first time trying out these, but I've had these before, and these are really good. These are the oatmeal cranberry cookie dough. You can eat these. They're plant-based, dairy-free, gluten-free, peanut and nut, tree nut-free, and it's non-GMO. But you can eat it raw. You can see it on the side because it's vegan, so it's really good. If you like cookie dough, they have other flavors. They have a regular chocolate chip too. I've got some butter or some non-butter. Just a butter substitute. Feta cheese, the reduced fat one. Tzatziki's dip. Avocados, the mini ones. Cucumber. Bell peppers, mini bell peppers, because I like to snack on them and I also like to cook with them. Sunflower seeds to add into my salads. Crushed red pepper for the turkey burgers. I'm going to make some strawberry peach juice. This is the strawberry peach paradise by Tropicana. It's so good. It's only 100 calories, but this juice is delicious. Some caramel rice cakes. One of them is snacky and sweet. Some eggs, because my other eggs are no good. Some Fiber One cereal. I want to incorporate some more fiber into my diet. This is the real honey clustered version. I really like honey bunches of oats, so I'm hoping that this gives me some fiber and also give me the same vibe as honey bunches of oats. I got some grapes, some oatmeal. I like the fruit and cream ones because I really like peaches and strawberries and cream, but it also has the blueberries and cream and the bananas and cream. I just like fruit and cream oatmeal. That's my favorite kind. Some apple cider vinegar to go with the recipe to a salad I'm trying to make. Some olive oil, mayo. I was gonna get the vegan mayo that the recipe calls for, but the vegan mayo was like $8 for some mayo. And I was like, this one's $2 and it has olive oil in it, just the same. And it has no sugar, so I don't know. I think the other one was, oh, I think the other one was vegan because this is made with eggs. So, but I don't mind that, so I got this instead. Save a coin. I got some mini potatoes to go with my turkey burgers and just to have some broccoli for the salad. Lemons, onions, and zucchini because I'm gonna try to make this chicken kebab thing I saw. And then I got some cherries. And that's pretty much it. I also got Oreos yesterday to go with like my decor stuff. But yeah, y'all saw that yesterday. If you saw me organize everything, you saw that yesterday. So I'm just gonna get to wiping everything off and then putting it all inside of the freezer. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Your thoughts of rejection. If you're with me, you're secure. Keep telling me that your time is always taken. Keep seeing you out alone. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I look a mess. But why did I just try that burger? And why was it so good? I'm gonna leave the recipe on the screen or something like that, or down below. But y'all should try this for real, because it's so good. Like, this is the first meal. I'm kind of not showing my picture because I look a mess. This is my first meal in here that I fixed, and I am so proud of it. I wasn't even waiting on the chips, y'all. And those look good too. I air fried like some chips type of things. I cut up like the golden potato. If you watch the video, it should be before this, but it came out so good, y'all. I'm so happy and so proud. I'm put a little bit of salt on there, just like a pinch. And yeah, literally a pinch. I'm not playing. What the heck? It's so good. Y'all might not like the ketchup, so I'll show y'all this side. And here's what the burgers look like. Here's what the leftover ones look like. These are definitely gonna be a meal for me tomorrow and throughout the week. So good. How I've been living without you. So I'm at IKEA now, trying to switch out the table. But I'm also looking to see if they have the mirrors or the couch in stock. But online it says it doesn't, but maybe if I ask them, maybe it'll be here. Because the last time I checked, it was supposed to restock today, but we'll see. Here's my table, y'all. I just got done putting it together. It's the LAC table. I went with the one that's like $29. I did get the one that was like $40 at first, and it was pretty big, but I like this one better. I had to take it back or whatever, and then ended up getting this one because they didn't have the other one in stock. And actually, I don't regret it. It's a mess up in here. I was doing a haul and stuff, but yeah, I don't regret it at all because whenever I get the little cream carpet to match this, it's gonna be so cute. I love it.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast.
Say my name.